So you guys are already familiar or should be familiar of the multiple stream of income system community. So here's how it looks. You start off with a small ticket offer, $11, 25, 60. These can come after each other as long as they complement each other. You can, send somebody through this offer and then follow up via email with the other offers. And then, a few days later or a day later, they're going to get the most important part of this process, and that's the system. The system is really what's already running this. This is what's running your whole business. So after the system gets introduced, and we'll introduce the system a few times a week. More emails are going to be going out to your mid-ticket offers, your 118, 200, 350. And then ultimate goal in 90 days is to launch people into your communities, your courses or your school community, 500, 900, or however much it is. And repeat. Every customer is going to go through this cycle. So a customer can be paying you residually, one time, unless your community is residual as well. But you go from $11 value on your customer up into a $900 value in your customer, and they're getting stuff that they actually are going to use. It's not just you selling them random stuff. They're actually going to use these things. So I'm going to show you my offer, my $60 offer in this video. I just wanted to do some training so you understand the community. If you want to become part of this community, if you're seeing this on YouTube, everything's going to be in the description. If you're seeing this via email, I'm going to have some links where you can go through this process. But I'm going to show you one of the offers that is going to help you, but is going to be part of your multiple stream income. Start in the back office. This is my personal care line. I work with this company who offers natural personal care products, soaps, deodorants, essential oils. This is key. These products have replaced a lot of the unnatural stuff that I was using on my bodies, my family's body, etc. So I have never made this my main opportunity. I was just a customer for a while, but I'm like, hey, this would be very good to add this into the multiple stream income. So you have $5 balance right now. I'm getting paid. I have one active sponsor, few in my downline, just from word of mouth, but I'm getting paid in this thing and I'm not even promoting it yet. Well, it's starting this week. So you're going to create a free account. You're going to see this. If you look right here, if you upgrade your account to at least 5 business volume, you're going to be active in the community. However, if you want to make the most money in this community, you want to upgrade to 60 volume. And I'm going to show you how easy that is. 50 volume, excuse me. All right, so you're going to click. You can click here. This is the best way to get started, or you can click here on kits. So if we come to kits, you see volume is after every single purchase. So 50 volume is all you need to really take advantage of this program at a high level. And this is what your members should start with. Low cost income stream. Plus you're getting something physical. I love physical products because they're easy to talk about. I don't have to keep selling an income opportunity. I can actually make content around the product. So we're going to scroll down kits. All right. There's one kit in here for 50 volume, and you can purchase as many things as you want, but this is just the minimum that I would start if you want to maximize the company. So this one is $69.95, but there's some more inexpensive kits. So if we scroll down here, you see you can get started for 5 volume, $749. But to take full advantage of this company, if we scroll down, you'll see right here, this is the ultimate kit. It's probably one of the best volume kits anyways, because you're going to get soap, deodorant, tooth powder, all natural. You're going to get one of our total body oils, oil of the month, and pink grapefruit, and you can actually consume this. And if you look into here, it'll show you exactly a little bit around it, the ingredients, and then if you click our PIPs, it's going to actually show you everything around the products, how to use them, who can use them, etc. So we'll look at this real quick. So it's going to break down all the natural ingredients in the product. And if you come down, you're going to see pink grapefruit, and this is how you can use it. Diffuse it, you can inhale it, misting, bathe. You can actually put this in your water, 1 drop, etc. And you can see what it does for the body. So this will be the ideal pack. You're going to You have to do this once a month. So you can add it to cart. It's $5, $5.95 shipping, a few dollars taxes. And this income stream is launched. You're going to get your product in the mail 7 business days max. And you're going to have this stream of income active. Amazing is you can share with your family and friends, but I don't do that. It's all going to be on the internet. And how we're pairing everything together is going to make it so easy. So if we recap here, if you've paid attention to the emails, you're going to have the $11 domain name. So you're going to already start your brand off. So this website, you're going to direct it to your system when you get it or to the front end offer. And so far we have our $60 health and wellness offer. And then we're going to have emails that automate the next few steps. And I'm going to actually do training videos on how this works. So this specific video right here is activating the second offer. I'll put the first offer in this email as well if you didn't get your 7-day trial and get your domain name. And I'll put the link to this offer in the email as well. And if I put this on YouTube, I'll put both offers in the description. And I'm going to show you how to launch your first 2 streams of income already within 7 days. And we'll have our system up and running in a day or so if you choose to open up a system.